when you're setting up for the high step-ups, you want to make sure that the step is high enough so that when you put your foot on the step, your knee is higher than your hip. By having that angle, it will ensure that when you stand up to the top, you get better glute activation because in the starting position, your glutes are at a much bigger stretch. And also, while we're talking about glute activation, when you're doing your step-ups, once you've stood up at the top, I want you to make sure that you're squeezing your glutes, tucking it directly underneath your shoulders, and that is what's called full hip extension. And we want to make sure that we're in that position at the top of every single rep. When you're doing your step-ups, do all the reps on the one leg first, and then once you finish those reps, then you can move on to the other side rather than alternating.